Hello and welcome to Gorilla Electronics. Today we are going to tackle a dishwasher. Now this is not so much an electronic repair, but more so mechanical repair, and loosely stated mechanical repair. This is more so maintenance. So this particular dishwasher, this is a Samsung, and more on the performance of this later. This particular dishwasher, which is fairly new, leaves me with certain issues. See, this is what the dishes look like after being cleaned. So despite me trying to clean this unit up. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to start to prepare the dishwasher. We're going to remove the trays. Okay, the second step here is we are going to remove the filtration device over here, which will give us access to the pump and the circulating features. Make sure that we have a Phillips screwdriver, a screw gun, and a wetback will help, and also a scrub brush and just common degreaser. Now keep in mind, don't lose any of the screws. These are stainless steel screws, and if you lose them, it's probably going to be difficult to replace. Carefully remove the filtration unit. Also be careful, don't puncture this filter mesh that's on top. What we're going to do here is we are going to get some spray, saturate this, and then we're going to suck it out, and then we're going to rinse it. Pretty simple. Now this repair probably would cost you I don't know, at least $150 if you got a dishwasher repairman to come in here. This repair will only take a few moments. So now we take a look at this. This is the filter screen, and as you can see, the filter screen, this is absolutely filthy. And you can see we're using a regular Samsung pitch pro antibacterial. Let it sit in for a second. Now this is just really, I gotta tell you, this is just really bad design, but hey, we're not gonna criticize the engineering of this particular product. So we can see here that there is a ton of congealed fats and all kinds of cooking products. Now this dishwasher isn't that old. It's only about 1.5 years. Now I moved into this place and I assume that this thing has never been cleaned. So this cleaning will go a long way. Make sure to rinse everything really well. I'm going to omit the rinsing bit, but you get the idea. So further down the rabbit hole, as you can see, this is the reason why everything is just so filthy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to saturate all of this as well. And suck that up as well. Okay, so be very careful when removing things. You have to put them back exactly how you find them, or else you're going to have a lot of trouble. One of the things here is this particular disc over here. I think it shuts off the flow of water up this pipe here. So as you can see, it's in the open position. We've got to make sure we put that back. Either take a picture or mark it with a marker. So let's start to saturate all, move everything out of the way, and let's make sure with that disc, as I mentioned, you want to make sure you put it back the same way or else the machine won't operate properly. Saturate all, scrub, scrub, scrub.
Okay, make sure you get all that congealed grease out. Here is the fixture. Make sure that you saturate that and let it soak. Then start to scrub it, and you're going to have to rinse, scrub, and repeat. Make sure that you also take care of the agitator, because the agitator gets clogged with food. And you'll see that your machine, once you're done, the efficiency will greatly improve with just some cleaning. Now, this is where the shop vac comes into play. The shop vac will suck up all the debris and it will not cycle to your machine. And you're going to have to rinse this several times. You can see the contaminants in the water. And again, rinse, repeat. You'll see the algae floating there. And again, rinse and repeat. Scrub, rinse, and repeat. Very simple job, it just takes patience. This whole job took me about 10 minutes, but actually it was longer because I needed to film it. Reassemble all, put all the screws back where they belong. This is where the screw gun comes in handy to make the job quicker. Put in the agitator, tighten all the screws hand tight.
Okay, we're going to reassemble the machine currently, put the racks back in, and we are going to run another load. More, and also with some dirtier dishes, and I will do a load, and then I will get another video of the results and see whether or not this was a success. Okay, we are going to do our first wash after cleaning out the filter and the bottom of the pump. Going to fill it up with just enough soap. We are going to do a high temperature wash. We're going to do a storm wash, and we're going to do an express 60. Okay, I'm going to come back to this in an hour and 18 minutes. Okay, so we're looking here, and the wash cycle is finished. Take a look and see. Oh. Dishes are clean. A definite, vast improvement.